What up, YouTube? You can't stop trading and investing with your boy James E. Today we're gonna talk about TSMP. You feel me? I want to go over the technicals from today and what do I think moving forward into tomorrow and till Friday. We got that investors conference coming up on the 22nd. But before I do that, man, please click that like button. Please subscribe. It is very much appreciated. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that likes to research and analyze anything that I find interesting in the stock market. And I like to share that with anybody willing to listen. So, that being said, man, let's just get right into it. So, TSMP. We had a nice gap up this morning, all the way almost to the 34 area. And then we had a straight panic sell off. That was very interesting. Am I surprised by it? No, not really, because we did just have this major move. And then it held nicely in the 28s and the 29s, and it actually closed profitable on the day, which was beautiful, which told me that it tried, and it never retested the bottom of the 27.38 area. It tried, but it only got down to the 27.7. So we have forming a nice base in the 27 area, and then having a nice bounce recovery at the end of the day for us actually to be green and close higher than the previous close. So that is a great sign, which tells me we could potentially have a great move tomorrow. It kind of reminds me of the move we had here, where we stopped 2 cents before the breakout, and then we finally had that drop. And that's pretty much what happened here. Stopped basically at 34, which was 2 cents from the next high, and then finally had that drop, and then it held nicely. It had a beautiful bounce here and back to the 31 area, and then just held and closed at 29.49. So again, man, for me personally, it's a beautiful thing to see. Like I said, man, we are up 40% on a single day. And then having a pop up here, which puts us up over 50% in just a matter of a day. And then having this correction and then, bouncing off the 27. I literally thought maybe when I seen this panic that we might drop down to the 24 and bounce off of that. But it bounced off the 27 and then just consolidated in this area. Tried to retest the 30s, broke through it, and then just stayed in this 28, 29 area. So that's beautiful for tomorrow, for Thursday. And then as you guys all know, we had that conference call coming out Friday, January 22nd. It's coming. So I'm very interested to hear what they have to say. Again, guys, I don't know why. I submitted my information for that conference call. I did it again this morning. Still haven't got no kind of confirmation on my phone, because obviously you have to give your phone number also as well as your email. I never got an email reply. I never got no kind of text message or no type of reply on my phone. So I honestly don't know what the hell's going on with that. But regardless, I'm going to listen to it at some point and make sure I share the highlights with you guys. So I'm very excited for that. And I think this thing has the potential to maybe squeeze out past this before that conference call. And then I've been getting a lot of questions about that because when the last conference call came out on the 9th, actually, this is right here. As you can see, we had the run to the high just before the conference call, before it fell off. So I've been getting a lot of questions about that. If I think, that conference call, it's going to die off after the conference call. I personally don't know. It truly depends on what is said in that conference call, what kind of news is released, what kind of catalyst can propel this thing. It's just speculation right now. Can it very well fall off again? Yes, it very well can. Or it depending on what the news is in that conference call, it could very well skyrocket. And if it breaks the 35s, then we're on a clear range to the 50-cent area, because usually in penny stocks, they like to stick to whole numbers, 50 cents in dollars. It could potentially, if it breaks that 35.99, we definitely have a good chance at reaching that 50 level. But again, man, it's just speculation, and I don't know. None of us truly know, but it does have a chance. We'll see what happens tomorrow, because just like here, the day before had its final leg before it dropped off. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. I was almost tempted to sell it here in the 34s, but again, man, everything, it just had such great catalysts come out this weekend and this week that, I just said, you know what, I'm gonna stick I'm going to stick to it, and I'm going to hold on and see what happens when we actually legitimately test this 36 area. So leave a comment, guys. Let me know what you guys think is going to happen. Give me your opinion. Do you think that it's going to have another conference call like this where we're going to have the run and then it's going to drop off the day of? Or do you think that we have enough solid catalysts to propel this thing to new highs, which I think we very well do, that could just blow past this 35.99? If not by Friday, then sometime next week. Leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Again, man, if you made it this far, please click that like button. Please subscribe. You can't stop Mafia is a mindset movement, meaning never stop yourself, never stop your progress, never stop your education, especially in finance. Having multiple streams of income is an amazing thing, and the stock market is a place where you can do that. So TSMP had a nice little panic sell-off today, but held beautifully in the 28s, 29s. Which it held higher than the previous close, which is a great sign for tomorrow. So again, man, we'll see what happens. For me personally, I'm holding on to my shares, and I can't wait to see what happens tomorrow and then the conference call on Friday. So that's going to be it for today, guys. I'll make sure I keep you updated as much as possible. Till next time, I'm out. Peace.